first example we're going to use using the Excel OM software is from Chapter 1. We're going to do problem 1.1. So in this particular case, you go up to the Excel OM tab. We're going to do it by chapter and chapter number 1. Now in this case, the input screen has some variables we need to enter. So looking at problem number 1, which is related to the wooden boxes, we only have one input, which is the time, the 40 hours. So we will change the factor to hours. You don't need to do this. It just helps to make it more clear, but it doesn't change the numbers. And it's only for one time period. And again, you don't have to do this, but we'll do it for, make it the same for day. So now we have our Excel OM productivity software working. So we look at the first part in part A. What is their productivity? You are producing 120 wooden boxes in 40 hours. So your productivity is 3 boxes per hour. So 3 boxes per labor hour. Need to do. Now, one of the things you can do with this is you don't have to restart every time, but in this particular case, in part B, we'll just simply change the 120 to 125. Now, so this is B. So now their productivity is 3.125 boxes per hour. So that's all you need to do. What is their unit increase in part C? So in part C, you simply take 3.125, previous one was 3 or from part A, and you simply subtract. And this is the unit increase, not the percentage increase, but the unit increase. Now, what is their percentage increase? So in this particular case, we'll go back, and this is for part D. Again, and again, this factoring labeling is not necessary. Just do it. Clarity of the example. Now there's still only one input factor, which is the labor hours, but the number of time periods we're going to put is 2. So we'll have the current and we'll have the new. So day 1, 120, 40 hours, 125 at 40 hours. And you can see that the increase is here, 4.1667. And that's it. It does the calculations for you. You can do this using your calculator, but it is much more fast and efficient. And also because the formulas are pre-built and have been vetted, you will have an increase in accuracy. So that's the end of exercise from problem 1.1 from chapter number 1. I hope you found this informative.